Let's see how to insert a contact form. We'll go to the configuration menu and click on contact forms. This is going to take me to this page where I can select one of the current contact forms that I already have. I can choose the comments format, the questions format, or the survey format. I can also create and customize my own. Let's see how to do this. I click on the Add button and I get these tabs. The first one is the Fields tab. Here I can create all the fields that I want to show in my contact form. To start adding fields, I'm going to click on Add, and it's going to enable all these fields. I can choose from a text type, multi-line, checkbox, checkbox list, radio list, drop-down list, calendar, or email. I'm going to choose the text one. I need a name for this field. Let's call it name. The label that is going to show next to my field. I can check if I want it to be a required field. And if so, I write the required message. Shall the user not type in the name? I can set the width in pixels, a regular expression, and a regular expression message. I can also set the maximum length in characters, let's say 140, and then just click OK. As you can see, I have my new field, and I can add another one. Click on Add. This time I'm going to select drop-down list, and I get similar options. I name this field, the label next to my field, and the values that I want to show in my drop-down list. Now make sure you separate them with a comma. And click OK. We can keep adding as many fields as we want and we need for our contact form. Now let's go to the Email tab. Now in this tab, we set the email that will be the recipient of all the emails and contact forms. We can add a subject. And now we go to the Extra tab. Here we can change the font family that we will be using for the contact form, the font color, the font size. We can align the send button. We can change the send button text. And the CAPTCHA text. Now let's go to the Thanks tab. And in here we can type in some text that will be thanking our user after they send the contact form. We go back to the Fields tab and make sure you have a name for this contact form. Now remember to always save the changes after you add any field or do any change to the contact form. Now let's click on Pages. Let's say I want to insert that contact form in section 2. Click on the contact form icon at the menu. Select the contact form that I want to insert and click OK.